How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. We'll be taking a closer look at our door panel boards covering all 1981 to 1993 Mustangs in today's video. One of the main purposes for these boards are going to be restoration. Fixing flimsy, sagging, or damaged boards to improve overall fitment is key here. When removing the door panel from the door frame, the pushpin holes on the backing boards tend to get torn. So we do have a few different offerings for these door panel boards. We do cover the 1981 to 1986 models, the 1987 to 1993 manual window and power window applications. One major thing about doing this yourself is the cost savings. If you do this on your own, you can put a little bit of sweat equity into this one and actually save yourself a ton of money versus buying new door panels. Normal install time takes you a couple hours per side, and believe me, you will want to do this in the long run. Speaking of installs, check out the link in the description below to show you how these go on the car. Between the 2-year models of the 81 to 86 and the 87 to 93, the general installation will be roughly about the same, but some steps will vary depending on the year you're working on. LMR also has you covered on any additional parts you may need, including adhesive, any type of associated hardware, or your weather strips for the installation. Everything we've talked about today can be found through LMR.com. All right, everyone, I hope this one has given you a little bit better understanding for these door panel boards. As you know already, go ahead and make sure to like this video and give us a thumbs up on there. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you've not already. And as you already know, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.